Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to show you how to make homemade granola. This granola is very tasty and also very healthy. It has lot of protein and also micronutrients like iron, vitamin B, vitamin D. So let's see how to make this one. It's so easy to make and it is so crunchy. We can eat it as a snack, or you can have this one as a breakfast with yogurt or milk, and you can top on the smoothies as also. So let's see. To make this granola, I am taking 1.5 cups of oats. These are old fashioned oats or rolled oats, and I am adding the all other dry fruits. I have the flaxseed powder, so I am adding this flaxseed powder into this one. And I always have these walnuts. I am chopping the walnuts, and also it's kind of half cup of walnuts, and I am taking the almonds also a half cup. They are all chopped. I am also adding the chia seeds. We can add any nuts as per your taste. These are readily available in my home, that's why I am adding all of them. And to give them sweetness and also as a binding, we are mixing the honey along with the coconut oil. So I mix both of them and then adding this coconut oil and also honey, and then mix it well. For this measurement, I think the oil and sweetness is more, so I am adding little bit of oats. That means I added 2 cups of oats for these measurements, and mixing them well, and then we need to heat them in the microwave. I kept the microwave at 300 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes, and in between we need to take them out and then mix it nicely. So I bake it for 30 to 40 minutes and they become so crunchy. You can see the color and they are so tasty. You can eat them as it is, as a snacks. So healthy homemade granola is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.